Definition of hazardous material. Hazardous material content of liquid hazard, physical hazard, gas hazard, and biological hazard. A hazardous material is any item or agent which has the potential to cause harm to human, animal, or the environment either by itself or through interaction with other factors. In this video, we will be showing 3 examples, which is physical hazard, gas hazard, and liquid hazard.
Liquid waste is any form of liquid residue that is hazardous for people or the environment. It can be bulky or sludgy or even purely liquid, such as with laboratories waste. Comes from restaurants, cars, homes, any facility that includes washing machines or laboratories or industrial buildings that utilize tank clearing operations. The most dangerous liquid waste is found in chemical waste, such as formaldehyde, alcohols, corrosive substances, which are acids and caustics, contaminated soil, or quarantine waste. Handling chemical waste is important. The right way to throw a chemical waste are by storing it in prepared bottle by the lab assistant. Do not simply throw it into the sink. And please guys, don't intentionally wash your hand with those dangerous chemicals like what he did.
Combustion is essentially chemical change reaction between fuel that can be said as a flammable substance and oxidizing agents that usually oxygens and heat from the source. We must be aware that gas has different density or mass. In the other words, some gases are lighter than air while others are heavier than air. The most obvious harm would be the dangers of the fire or explosions. After the immediate dangers of the fire, there are some of other properties of these liquids that may be hazardous to the body. A combustible gas is the one that will burn when mixed with air or oxygens and ignited. Combustible gas and air mixture can be burned over a wide range of concentration. Acetylene, ammonia, hydrogen, propane, propylene, and methane are all flammable gases, also known as fuel gases.
There are few examples of solid waste, such as liquid chemical, empty containers, and excess wood products such as wood pellet and plywood. By this video, we can see that the materials are thrown in open space, drain, or any place around the manufacture. Solid waste is not limited to waste that are physically solid only. It could be in liquid, semi-liquid, or contain gaseous material. A solid waste is any material that is discarded by being first abandoned, where the material is disposed, burned, or recycled. Second is inherently waste-like, where some materials are threat to human health and environment. There are few effects of wrong management of the solid waste. First, the woods that are thrown away takes time to decompose. It will create a mess surrounding of the manufacturer and leads to invitations to the breeding of parasites, pathogens, and spread harmful disease. It also can cause the surrounding become stinks. There are few right ways to manage the solid waste. First, the excess wood can be used as the solid fuel biomass. It can be burned and used as the energy in manufacture. It can be used in fueling steam engines and generate electricity.
To conclude, these hazardous materials need to be properly managed to avoid unnecessary incidents to happen. Precautions need to be taken and procedures must be followed when handling hazardous materials. Be aware to the hazardous materials you come in contact with and learn about the specific characteristics and dangers.